Well, howdy people, it's another lovely sunny day in England, and we're going to test the robot lawnmower properly, so enjoy. Okay, the E4K time-lapse camera is running, so let's find our way over to the lawnmower. Let's turn her on. The button on the front dials up the motors and the sensors. Off she goes. Or maybe she doesn't. Wow. Wheel spinning. Alright, let's just make sure she's find her way around. Yeah, okay, that's okay. Good. Alright. Okay, so here's the robot lawnmower in all of its splendor. Arduino controls, ultrasonic sensors, wheels, big nasty spinny bladey things, and a missile switch. Here's the blades. Ooh, if I can lift it up, here's the blades underneath. Hacksaw blade. So we're going to go ahead and see if we can mow the lawn. Sorry about lighting and whatnot, sun's still out, so I've put a few planks of wood around areas of the garden where I don't want the lawnmower going, and the rest of it is thankfully resolved by walls, because at the moment only the sensors work, not the colour sensor, which should detect when it's on grass and when it's come off grass. So I'm going to do a high speed of this. High speed camera is over here. Do a high speed, sorry, not high speed, a slow motion, a time lapse of this, and with a little bit of luck, Mr. Robot Lawnmower, or Mrs. Robot Lawnmower, like Mrs. Pac-Man, should eat all the grass. Let's see how we do. Blades. Not a bad effort. Had to turn off the blades. It got stuck at one point, and the motor unglued itself. But yeah, it's heading in the right direction. It's done some of the lawn. Anyway, it'll be interesting to see the high speed. So yeah, robot lawnmower. Let's just have a quick look underneath. Let's turn her off and spin her over, see what things look like. Yeah, let's turn it around in the sunshine so you can see it. Yeah, there's a fair bit of green collecting there. I guess it's a bit like most lawnmowers. Yeah, and the blade has definitely dropped down significantly. In fact, when it did so, it made a little bit of a hole over there. But yeah, well, we're heading in the right direction, and I was able to sit down for 5 minutes and enjoy a drink. Cheers!